Hey, this is Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. I know I have not given you a warehouse update, but they have made some serious progress on my new space for working my reseller online business. So here, I'm going to give you a tour so you can check it out. Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. I wanted to show you the progress of my warehouse. It's come along quite a bit. I've been doing a lot of work since I got back from the ASD Market Week in Las Vegas. But one thing really cool I want to show you before it leaves, I actually have... You ever hear that noise in the background of cicadas? Well, I found my first residence of my warehouse. It's actually a cicada hatching from the little shell. I don't know, I just thought it was really, really cool. See, let's see if I can touch it. See? I've never seen one actually hatch. Anyway, so that's my first residence that's living in my warehouse, so it's attached to the brick on the outside. But I wanted to give you an update of the progress that we've gotten so far. I think the last time I talked to you guys, maybe not even the brick was on, or maybe it just got put on. So this is the brick that's gonna match the house. I think it was on the last time I did an update video. But they've got a bunch of my siding, and then they're waiting for some of the ductwork to still come in. But if you come on in, I'll go ahead and give you a tour of what we got going on. They have fully insulated everything, so as you can tell, it doesn't echo anymore. We've got all of our electrical in, and then just today, you probably noticed too, if you scan up, I've got a garage door now. And so now this building is nice and secure. We don't have any of the door handles on any of the doors or anything yet, but I just can roll the garage door up and down to get in and out. But we've got lots of electrical in, the electrical box is on, the exterior electrical panels, the meter is already on the outside. And then if you scan up, they just got done today putting in my full HVAC unit and all of my duct work. So it will be fully climate controlled. And so it'll be nice and comfortable in here as I get to work. And it looks like they've also got screens and stuff that I can put in the windows. But I'm really looking forward to, I'm hoping maybe in about a month to be able to be in this space. I tell you what, with the stuff coming that I ordered from the vendor fair at ASD Market Week, it definitely cannot come sooner. I'm so tired of being crammed in a small space. So hoping to be a lot more efficient, but I just wanted to show you guys the progress. So I'm hoping that in the future, we're gonna see the ceiling put in, all the lighting put in the ceiling, and then drywall trimmed out. And then I know some of my siding is on back order, so that may be one of the last things that they do. Outside on the porch, they also reinforce the trusses out here right outside this window, so I can actually hang a porch swing, which was something I really wanted to do. That's just kind of an extra added benefit that I really wanted to have in this space. So hopefully this has been really cool. I'm excited about it. Let me know what you think about the progress, and I'll keep giving you guys updates. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin' reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.